So here are the 5 chords that you need to be able to play almost any song. Coming up. So the first one is E minor, and it looks like this. First finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Second finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And try to keep your fingers together, don't have them apart like this. They need to operate as one. And with your plectrum, or your fingers, or your thumb, or whatever you choose to use at this time, strum all the way. And you've got to make sure, of course, that each string is nice and clear. If you start to get that sound, we've got to figure out why is it making that sound. And usually on this type of thing, which in my case here, my finger here is catching that 3rd string. So if I curl my finger more, I get a nice clear sound. So the next chord is C. And if we're transitioning from E minor to C, we can keep our 2nd finger on, use it as an anchor point, and then our 1st finger goes to the 1st fret, 2nd string. Our 3rd finger or ring finger goes to the 3rd fret, 5th string. And with your plectrum, again from the 5th string this time, all the way down. This one might be a bit more tricky. It's probably the hardest one of the 5. So if you're getting this sound again, it could be that your finger's catching the string underneath, or it simply could be that you're not pressing on hard enough. So E minor to C, you can see that I keep that middle finger on. That's the anchor point. Next chord, A minor. So keep 2 fingers on this time. Just take the ring finger off and put that on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Strumming from the 5th string. So C, and then move that one to here, and you've got A minor. And you might feel like you want to shift your fingers a little bit like this. That's fine. Sometimes I feel like if I do a C chord from an A minor like this, I want to shift my fingers along a little bit, so then I don't have to stretch so far. So that's C. The next one is using 4 fingers, and this is G. So 2nd finger, 3rd fret, string number 6. 1st finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. Ring finger is on the 3rd fret, 3rd string. 2nd string, sorry, not 3rd string. And then the little finger is on the 3rd fret, 1st string. So we have that. Once again. There we go. Now the next chord, or the last chord, is a D. And you can keep your ring finger on this time. Take all the others off. 2nd finger's going to the 2nd fret, 1st string. 1st finger's going to the 2nd fret, 3rd string. This time with the plectrum, or the pick, we strum 4 strings, so from number 4. And a lot of people have a problem with this last string here, a lot of beginners, and usually it's because this 3rd finger is touching the string below. So just really make sure you've got your finger curled, and you can obviously just curl your finger, or what is probably best is to bring your thumb down a little bit at the back. If you've got your thumb up like this quite high, it's going to be harder, because what we want to do is create a nice gap here below the neck. So if your thumb's high, you can't create that gap, and your hand will be you'll basically not have any room to move. So thumb down at the back, you've got some freedom there, and you should be able to get a nice clear sound. Which chord do you find easiest? What's your favourite? Or what chords are you struggling with? Let me know in the comments. It's all well and good being able to play these chords, but if your strumming technique is really poor, then you'll be severely limited. So why don't you check out my next video called Mastering Acoustic Guitar Strumming Techniques. And also be sure to join the Guitar Practice Facebook group, where you'll find everything you need to know about advancing your guitar playing. Links in the description.